With WOMBO you can create free, unique artworks by simply inputting text then generating super cool images, like these I created. Start by typing a short descriptive sentence about a scene you imagine, next choose the style then watch your creation being produced in real time. Remember to give your creation a title, and choose to publish it on your profile. Also there is an option to save it to your device. Towards the end of the video, I will announce a competition where you will have a chance to get your WOMBO art creation shown in the next video. Here are my published creations so far. I hope these inspire you to create your own. It's time for me to announce the competition you have been waiting for, where I will select some of the best WOMBO art creations to be featured in the next video. The link to start creating your WOMBO art is inside this video's description. Once you have made your masterpiece, share it to the comments section of this video by copying your creation link and then pasting it directly inside your comment. The theme of this competition is space travel and UFOs. Just one submission is allowed. Clearly the theme I chose for this week's video was vehicles and damage. WOMBO is accessible on any device, producing coherent and impressive high-quality images. All the best and see you in the next video.